the last 2 years, the Right Choice has helped me with maintaining my HVAC system, emergencies when I needed them, and installation. I was impressed with the technicians' quality and training. I've never been oversold. They always did the right thing for what we needed for our home. They were on time, they are professional, and just the fact that they could do an install for us at 90 degrees outside in the attic is definitely one of those things where they care about their customers. I recommend them because I trust them.